And there it is, 12900K. So just put some drops on here. Hard to clean one. And just cleaning this off. We're gonna be taking that out, putting it in the Evo build. MAG Z690 Torpedo EKX with a monoblock like this to help cool the VRMs. Look at that. There we go. It just has to fall out, obviously. So that's what an Intel i9 12900K looks like. And that's the back. So let's go ahead and stick that in here. Take this out first. There we go. Put this in myself. I don't need no guide. There we go. And then clamp it down. Perfect.